Well, hello from Paris, the city of light, and in this case, the city of sun. It's a perfect day for football at the Parc des Princes. Derek Ray here on the commentary position, joined as always by Lee Dixon, and every reason to believe this is going to be enthralling. It's Paris Saint Germain up against Bayern Munich.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. I'm just hoping we get a nice, quick tempo from the start of this game. Both teams do like to get forward, both positive in their approach in the game, so we should be in for some entertainment.
And here is the initial 11 for Paris Saint-Germain. Well, as a team, Lee, they love to apply almost suffocating pressure. Based on the lineup, do you expect the same approach today?
Yeah, I think so, Derek. It makes it really difficult for the opponents to find their rhythm unless their touch is absolutely perfect. It forces mistakes, so I'd expect we'll be seeing plenty of that from them today.
Well, here is the Bayern side. Manuel Neuer begins in goal. David Alaba plays with Jerome Boateng in central defence. And leading the attack today is the lethal Robert Lewandowski. I have to say, whenever I come here to the Parc des Princes, I'm reminded of 1981 and Alan Kennedy's dramatic winner for Liverpool in the European Cup final against Real Madrid.
Yeah, full-backs union. You don't see him up in that area of the pitch very often, but what a goal that was. Created a brilliant atmosphere at the end of that game.
Neymar. Mbappe. An authoritative challenge. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. He continues to make hay. Ball lost by PSG. Under Herrera. Mauro Neymar! And he's fired it against the post. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. Mbappe. Neymar ready. And fisted away. And a PSG corner. His skill level simply off the charts. Neymar, the player we're referring to, Lee.
Well, if I'm a teammate of this lad, I want to get the ball to him as often as I can because he's a safe pair of hands. Give him the ball, normally something happens. The link-up play between the different departments of the team is second to none.
The delivery from Neymar. Wonderful goalkeeping from Manuel Neuer. Thiago Silva. Neymar. Cavani might fancy it. And thwarting his opponent in the nick of time. This is Müller. Pavard with it. Pavard. Kimmich with it. This is Müller. Müller. Thomas Müller. Others in the vicinity. Failed to keep hold of it. Under Herrera. Bernat. They might see the wide route as a fruitful one, PSG. Mbappe in the centre. He read it well, but still work to do. Throw-ins given. Now Meunier. Herrera. Here's Icardi. Mbappe. Patient build-up at the moment. Genuinely thought they might cash in on that occasion, but haven't been able to do so. And cleared away. Here is Thiago. Well, possession lost, intercepted. Alphonso Davies. Tolisso. Going well. Crossing possibilities. And a significant block following that cross. So the corner played into the box, and it all counts for naught. I must say, no shortage of space. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Bernat. Promising sequence. And Neymar. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. And he knocked it over the touchline, so it will be a throw-in here. The cross is on. But he stopped them just when they looked menacing. Kimmich with it. This is Müller. Thiago. Thomas Müller. Here is Joshua Kimmich. Here is Thiago. Kimmich. Tolisso. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Well, they would have been in a decent position there, but offside.
Oh, what a wasted opportunity that is.
Well, it was completely miscontrolled. Tolisso. He must finish! A tremendous save by the Costa Rican.
Well, he looks at his back four. He doesn't need to. He make a save like that. You don't need a back four.
Over it comes. It comes to nothing. What's he going to do here? Müller. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. It's got to be! Top-notch goalkeeping from Keylor Navas. And firing it into the area. Keylor Navas with a terrific save.
Absolutely genius.
Well, an opportunity here for them to get their noses in front from the corner. The corner from Kimmich. Fisted clear. Prepared to take on the shot.
So tight this game. Who's going to break the deadlock? Be brave, be a hero, take chances.
Tolisso. Here is Joshua Kimmich. Possession and patience, the watchwords. This is Müller. He has teammates to play it to. Unable to make the mark with that cross. Clattered away. Thiago Silva. Couldn't hang on to it. Tolisso. Thiago. Kimmich with it. Tolisso. And Pavard on the ball. Lewandowski. Tolisso. Space on the flank. Lewandowski. And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. It will be a Bayern corner. And he's fired over the corner. What a vital intervention. Played into the centre of the box. Not far away at all with the volley.
Well, to catch it like that, you've got to have really good technique, and oh, so close.
And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris.
Estàs bé?
Molt bé.
Et van bé?
Molt bé.
Et sents bé?
Molt bé.
Els homes porten abanderado perquè les senyores compren abanderado.
Molt bé.
Ferrarelle è piacere sincero, perché nasce sincera. Effervescente, naturale. Né liscia, né gassata. Ferrarelle, un frizzo di piacere sincero.
Sei sicura?
Sì.
Ok, stop.
Lulu? Avete visto Lulu? Tu la conosci? Se n'è appena andata.
Ti dico che se n'è andata.
Lulu?
Oui, c'est moi.
Lulu, le nouveau parfum de Cacharel.
Into the second half here at the Parc des Princes. Davis. Alaba. Now it's with Boateng. Pavard with it. This is Müller. Kimmich. Perisic. Good tackle. It'll be a throw. Thiago. And now Perisic. A decisive clearance it was. Tolisso. Müller. Thomas Müller. And Perisic in the thick of it. Tolisso.
Well, Derek, it's a funny one with those stats. The creativity's not a problem. The coach will look at the way the team has played and said, not bad, but you don't put the ball in the back of the net, you're not going to win games.
Kimmich with it. Bayern moving the ball around and getting deep into opposition territory. And they'll have to throw it back in play. It's a substitution for Bayern. Kimmich with it. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Neymar. And Neymar. And the cross is very much on. It's an effective cross aimed at the back post. And he's clear as lines. Meunier. Meunier. Icardi. Tremendous ball played through. The offside flag had to go up, and it did.
Yeah, look along the line. Look along the line.
And 30 minutes left for play in this match. Neymar. Well, we tend to expect brilliance from Neymar, and are surprised when he doesn't deliver that. In the first half, not quite at his best, Lee.
Well, he's been inches away from getting a goal that would make a big difference for his team. Can he go one better in the second half?
Perisic. They've regained possession. Making progress is Kylian Mbappe. Here's Marquinhos. Here's Mbappe. Icardi waits. And so it will be a corner. Substitution it is for PSG.
The crowd haven't had too much to cheer about for a while, have they, Derek? They need a goal here.
Over it comes. Poor execution with regard to the corner. Verratti. And that's sound goalkeeping to hang on to the shot like that. Kimmich. And the ball with Alphonso Davies. Here is Thiago. So 20 minutes to go. Here is Joshua Kimmich. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. Looks promising, this. Goretzka. Space and time for the cross. He has been deemed to be offside, not by much, Lee.
Brilliant, brilliant officiating, that is. Look at that, spot on.
Given away. Lewandowski. Goretzka. And here's Joshua Kimmich. Now Müller. And Lewandowski waiting. Will this corner bear fruit for them? So the corner played into the box. Insufficient accuracy as regards the corner. And quick thinking to react to the situation and concede the throw. This is Müller. Thiago. And options in the centre. Pavard. Goretzka. Bayern have lost the ball. Mbappe with it. Idrissa Gueye. Well, there might well be scope for them to counter-attack here. Meunier. And can he deliver accurately? Not fantastic defending. That is top-notch goalkeeping. He had to reach in with his hand.
Yeah, it's all about reading the pace of the ball and the player's feet. When do I go down? When do I strip the ball? Did a brilliant job then.
PSG on the move with purpose. What can they do from this particular position? Lewandowski. Kimmich with it. Goretzka. Müller. Alaba. Thomas Müller. Lewandowski. What's it? Well, visionary passing. Well, just couldn't keep himself onside. And Bayern will change personnel now. Thiago Silva. This is Neymar. Bernat. Verratti now. Gay. Verratti. Now, let's see what they can do here. The cross is on. Here is Juan Bernat. Mbappe in the centre. A wonderful intervention. And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. Jerome Boateng. Goretzka. Kimmich. Here is Thiago. Leon Goretzka. Forward momentum from Bayern. Is there going to be late drama in the form of a goal? Precise ball movement. Oh, a fine block. And a Bayern corner in the closing stages. Can they capitalise on it? Not to be this time. And there's the referee's whistle. These two sides cannot be separated.